Put your foot in my buddy, man.
DJ Ill Will.
Well, that's Ratchet Ass TT right there.
Ratchet Ass
What's that on that beat? Ho.
That's just
Fat
AC.
pussy. Hit it from the back pussy. With a lap marathon.
Man, no, I fire on TT all the time. I come out the shirt real fast.
She know better.
I'm chunky though. I ain't gonna come out the shirt real fast. I talk like I am nobody. Have me come out the shirt. The shirt. Come out the shirt right now.
Your voice don't even sound scary.
Have me come out the shirt right now. So.
Call him Tyler.
Oh, I linked your numbers. I linked the bro number and shit. He about to have all type of randoms on this shit. Here it come.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice
Turn it over.
Hey, you reached Tyler phone. And I'll give you the name and your number and I'll call y'all back when I get a 10. Sorry, bye.
Ain't me.
How long you had that answer machine, bro? How long you had that answer machine? He got your picture as an icon, bro.
You got all.
That's why I said I low-key linked your number, bro. The picture and all that chunky ass, fly ass, tie face, nigga.
Oh man.
Well, I had it for about like 3 years now, you know. I usually pick up the phone, nobody usually hear it.
How old is you?
I'm 17 and I have.
So that means 3 years ago you was 15?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
I didn't hit puberty though.
Until, what, this year?
Yeah, that's it. I turned 18 in December. December 2nd.
Tell the bitches.
I'm gonna hit
Hey,
the strip club.
tell them where to hit you up at, though.
You can follow me on Twitter at Curly Twist Vlog.
Yeah, man. Cause you
But money to label.
Call one of your bitches so we can see how much game you got, my nigga.
Alright, bro.
Show these blood money viewers. No.
Give me your number, please, so I can call you. I just got my mom's number up in here. My sisters, those are the only girls I got.
You just said your bitch just called you.
No, that was my cousin's brother's best friend's mom. She was just saying if I wanted to come over this weekend. Cause they having like, she making pizza rolls and stuff, pizza bagels. Pizza bagels. What y'all want? You don't like pizza bagels? Not like that good. Like she get bagels. She like puts like she puts sauce on them and stuff. And then she sprinkle a little bit of cheese and then pepperoni. Pizza bagels. They so good. And maybe you could like spend the night. I don't know if girls are allowed, but like when we're just like
Dress up like a boy?
yeah, you could wrestle and everything. I'm not even. We just like spend the night at each other's house and wrestle, and then we go to church. I'm like one of the leaders and stuff at my church. I'm one of the like kid leaders for my youth.
I fucked the camera up.
Bro, get me. But I'm one of the leaders for my youth and stuff. I know you like the Pringle pizza. You like Eggo pizza? Do you have a phone number? Cause maybe I thought
My phone off.
Okay.
You just text me. Why you lying?
You just text me too.
Both of you guys?
She just said she just hit me up not too long ago before we got here. Said she seen me on Pepper, bro.
Maybe your phone turned off, huh?
Yeah.
It just you didn't pay the bill today.
Hey, see, you gotta hit her with the game, bro. Let her know the deal.
I don't know the name. AC, I ain't I'm gonna be pretty famous when I grow up and stuff. That's all I gotta say. I think you can follow me on Twitter, Chunky Boy AC. You dig? Ooh, you got your lips out. You ready to kill?
Now you got to make that your Twitter.
Chunky Boy AC. I do.
Oh, speaking of that, I need to make a Twitter.
Ooh, yeah. Let's make one together. Let's share one.
He just asked you a question.
She said no, bro.
No, she didn't.
She said she gonna follow me.
Who are you talking to?
He just asked you a question.
Finna
What'd
get
you
into
say?
it with the camera. You
I know.
saw
Don't
it.
get into it with the camera.
He's trying to.
He said he needed Twitter too. Let's share one. Look at the face she gave him.
TT,
That's her real
liking
look
that.
too. That's her surprise look. We was like, happy birthday, Nene. She gave that look right there. Give it a look again. Give him the look.
No, I pulled it on my pants and she went.
Where the hell that's going?
I said, I'm about to put my hot
I do
link
right
in the
here.
hot pocket.
Hey! Open them.
Like a carrot stick. Bro, I need some
Your head too big.
so I can tick on it. Lick on her neck.
Just get it, bro. So you a thug. I don't know how to hit that shit. Ooh, hey, twerky. Twerky. Hey. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, hey. 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 Oh, blowing the booty, bro. Yeah, he do.
I just did what he did.
Yes. Nigga ticking, rotating, and all. Get that shit. Niggas, it's a fool. Y'all got a ripper to Meek Mill's part. Yeah, double team on the booty. Oh. Hey.
I ain't going down.
Hey.
Oh, so you keep.
That's that light you feel.
Hey, he turned it around.
Oh, you fucking it up. He got scared. Like, oh. She hit him.
Love Money the Label. AC. Chunky Boy AC. Follow me on Twitter.
If you're looking for me, nigga, come get me. Push ink the label, yep, them my niggas. You know she keep her nails done, a weed spiffy. Take it to the house and get jiggy. Nigga, I'm a thug, put the cops in the